Alright, so these are the TM-9s that I unboxed a week or so ago. All three were purchased as parts guns, and here's my breakaway diagram to see exactly what I've got. So let's get into these and see how it's going. Now, you can buy specific mats that are for guns, or you can pick up a cheap dollar store floor mat. It's rubber, won't scratch any of your stuff, and if you drop screws, they get caught in there instead of rolling away on you. There's any parts hidden in any of these pockets here. Nope, that's it for this case. Nothing else in there. So for right now, we're going to concentrate on which is the most complete, which would be this guy here. Sounds like there's something rolling around inside this magazine here. Oh, there we go. And let's see which slide is most complete. Okay, and the slides do match the frames. I am going to go for the most complete slide though. So it looks like okay, so they are all complete, except I only have one guide rod and spring. All right, well, we'll put that back together for now. And I can put these to the side for now as well. I'm missing one front sight, so I've got two of those. Rear sight, I do have three of those. That'd be this and the spring underneath it. And I do have three of each. 3 barrels. I do only have one guide rod and mainspring. I don't want to take apart that one. And we just want to check that the slide is complete. So press this little button here with your pinky, pull this down, and then push forward. Keep your thumb over there because you don't want anything to go flying. There we go. So this would be that back plate. I've got 3 of those. And this appears, I'm not going to take that apart any further because it looks like that is complete. And this is part of the extractor, and I can see those are complete on all 3. So I have 3 of these. I've got 3 of those pins as well. I know for sure I am missing my trigger and trigger bar. See, I do have some of the 2 of those. This here is for the magazine release. You can see down in here, and the tears have an ambidextrous release. So I've got 3 of those. So I am missing one of these. I only have 2 of those. Oh, I just found a 3rd one. There we go. 3 of those guys. I look to be missing one of these. And I guess this part is interchangeable, but Looks like I've got the standard one on all three. This part is in there. So there are a few parts here that are a little bit unclear what they are. So this one I definitely have three of those. I'm unsure on that piece. But when we sit back, oh, here we go. So there are a few pieces I'm unsure about here. But this gives me a very good idea of where I'm at, what I need. So I do have one complete slide. Two magazines, one frame that is complete with the exception of the trigger bar, and possibly two small pieces here as well. Well, I'm going to order some parts and I will be back once I've got my parts in. Thanks for watching. Okay, after a little bit of searching online, I found a better exploded drawing that was numbered and a parts list. So I am missing an entire trigger assembly, and I'm also missing spring takedown levers from all three. I'm not sure why all three would have been at an auction missing all the same parts. There's a few things that I'm missing, like the recoil spring and guide rod from two of them, but I did find it odd that these were at an auction for so cheap and all missing the same part, so it could be a problematic part. If any of you have a TM-9 and you have issues with your trigger assembly, please say something in the comments. If there's any parts that interchange. So my trigger assembly is trigger bar, pin trigger bar, trigger bushing, and spring trigger reset. And then it's just the takedown, the spring takedown lever that I need three of. Well, I'm still waiting to hear back from Tara Aerospace to see if they are able to provide parts, but I have emailed them a few times now and still no answer. So if anybody knows where to get parts, feel free to leave a comment. I'd really appreciate it. If there's anything you'd like to see on these ones, these are the first gen Terras, the ones that were called Terra Perfection. So if there is anything you'd like to know on these specifically, just leave a comment and I'll do my best to get you that info. Thanks for watching.